just got my juniper today, and I'm pretty happy with my decision. I was thinking about this for 2-3 years, and finally I did it. Would you like to see how it looked like before? Like this? And look how it looks like now. I'm pretty happy about this. This is Zone 5B, Colorado. It's a beautiful September 10th. The most important thing is when you cut junipers, the days has to be sunny day, no rain, because the tree has to dry out those cuttings. I did this big trimming for my juniper, but it's not done yet. But I have to wait a little bit because it could be too much at once. I will trim it in March again a little bit. And if you like my video, please like me if you like, and subscribe, and I will continue to share my experience in Colorado gardening. And I will let you know how my juniper is doing in the spring, and I will show you the part 2, how to trim it more delicate. Happy gardening!